Hi guys, welcome back to Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, Sales Manager of Hair Factory. Many of my clients have asked me the questions, how to store hair extension. So I will show everyone how to store hair extension without affecting the quality of the hair. But first, intro. When storing hair extension, you will need to pay attention to 4 main factors: location, temperature, time, and care. If you find these 4 elements a bit confusing, let's dive into each of them. First, about the location. When you store hair extensions, if your hair extensions are already made into wig, of course you are going to use them outside, right? Therefore, after using the wigs outdoor, you must never continue to use them in bed. Even if your day is very long and you are extremely tired, take 20 seconds to hang them up high. Hang your wig on something shaped like a head so your hair doesn't change its structure or get any tangle. If your hair is still in bundle, put them in a box and remember to open the lid. The second factor on how to store hair extension is temperature. Please avoid direct sunlight from the sun when you store hair extension to avoid fading and discolorations. In addition, you also need to pay attention to ensure that the room temperature is never too hot to avoid greasy hair. The third factor you need to consider when storing hair extension is storage time. Even if you have never used your hair extension, you should regularly check their conditions once a month. If you find your extensions are greasy, please wash them with shampoo, blow dry on a cool temperature, and let them dry naturally. Leaving hair extension in the air for too long will often cause mold. If you don't deal with the mold in time, it will completely damage your hair extensions. The last factor you need to pay attention to when storing hair extension is how you take care of them. In addition to paying attention to 3 factors above, you need to remember that hair extensions are very fragile and easily damaged. I have seen a lot of my customers throwing their hair extensions straight to the ground when trying to get them out the wrap. This will seriously affect the quality of the hair extension and will eventually make them lose their shape. Moreover, do not use a comb to brush and tuck when you encounter tangled knots. Hair extension will also work like real hair. They will break easily if subjected to strong impact. Always treat your hair extension gently. If you want to store hair extension in the long run, always pay attention to 4 factors I mentioned. If you have any question, don't hesitate to take me through this WhatsApp number. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.